Today I got a tune-up workout for you guys. I got the OUC Orlando Half Marathon this Saturday in Orlando, Florida. Today we got 4x3 minute with 2-minute jog rest. First one at marathon effort, next 2 at threshold effort, and the last one maybe at 10K effort depending how I'm feeling. Camerawoman Kelly on deck today, filming in this rain, this drizzly rain. We got a rainbow. Whoa, it's cold. Although when I go down to Florida, it's probably going to be hot and humid.
This is why you need to run with a bunch of clothes on.
Or in a sauna. Rainbow! Let me just start raining Skittles. You know what? I'm going to put a green screen Skittles rain effect. Get the rainbow in. Skittles. Taste the rainbow. Nice and easy. 5:27 average. Uphill the entire time. Body's a little tired today, but that's okay. Between the shortened time trial on Thursday, the long one I had on Saturday, and the frantic looking for my wallet yesterday, took a lot out of it. I'm doing a giveaway of 2 face masks that I got from Eugene Running Company. One of them has Prefontaine and the other one has Old Hayward Field. To enter, all you gotta do is smash that like button on this video and comment down below which one you want. I'll pick one name randomly in a week's time down below. I'll comment on your post and then I'll say, message me on Instagram and we'll get things figured out. I feel like this sucks. Don't worry, it'll probably be a lot better once we get to the track. Ready? Number 3. Pick number 3, my lord.
Bro, I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa, whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, that new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip. Neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib, neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick, neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way, I'm the real deal, no role play, my days off, that's no days, no I was hard, young rose, E be the shooter, that's cold case, L's on the deals, that's brose, got no pay, on no say, okay, this the news, tell them read it, been no
5:07. About the same procedure effort as the last rep, because this one is mostly uphill. Alright, to the track. The last one. Let's try to average 452 to 456. Let's go! No mercy! Last one, ready? Let's get it! take fast shot, that's okay. Just only have one of those. Alright. Woo! Rain style right when we finish. The adrenaline rush for the first quarter is too much for me. Oh. We did it for the tune-up workout. So keep in mind with tune-up workouts, you kind of want to hit an effort maybe slightly faster than a short amount of time with the race you got coming up. So the race I have coming up is a half marathon of the weekend. So we got to get used to like half marathon pace. It's neuromuscular, not necessarily invoking a specific adaptation because there's not enough time to get the benefits of this workout for Saturday. So yeah, guys, enter the giveaway. Like I said, I'm giving away 2 face masks, one with pre, another one of Old Hayward Field. Comment down below if you want the mask and which one you want. In a week's time, I'll do a random drawing. I'll comment on your post asking for your Instagram handle, and I'll message you on Instagram. We'll get things taken care of in terms of shipping. Did you guys like this video? Check out the great track workout of the North workout video next, up in the cards right here. Catch you guys next time. Peace.